Mouse is slow, video is crappy, internet probably doesn't work. What we need are the drivers. Since I'm in a virtual world, I need to install what are called virtual drivers. Every virtualization product has their own name for it. For this particular one, we're going to install the guest editions or the VMTools. So go back to VSphere. Right-click your box, find Guest OS, and install VMware Tools. Once you do that, you jump back to your Windows 10 machine up here and watch the screen. So again, right-click your machine, Guest OS, install VMware Tools. I'm sorry, I forgot about the screen. Hit Mount. Yeah, after mounting. I forgot about the mount. Mount means put in the DVD. Now, if you do it quickly enough, this will pop up, and you can click on that thing and say open or run. Once you get that to run, next, finish. I'll get you there again, Michelle. Or Mason, I'm sorry, I misread the screen. I saw Michelle above you. If you miss it, which people do, if you miss it, you can open up your yellow file explorer, go to this PC, and the DVD will be there. No, seriously, Michelle, you're right above Mason. And I looked in the corner of my eyes, I saw the question, I saw your name, and just put the two together. So if you miss it, you can run it up in this PC. When it's finished, it's going to want you to reboot. Hit finish, yes, restart, reboot the whole thing, and then you're finished. Again, if you missed that trick, it was right-click here, Guest OS, install VMware Tools, and then it'll pop up in this screen and say Mount. I'll show you here. That's just got to be on, doesn't it? Guest OS, damn. I can't because all of them have VMTools on it. When you're done, look at the mouse. It works better. Okay, I'm going to stop recording.